Hi, writers. Yesterday, I did some research on bats by watching a video. As I watched, I filled out a graphic organizer to help me plan my writing. Today, I'm going to use my graphic organizer to help me write my paragraph. But before we begin, let's review our paragraph structure. We always begin a paragraph with a topic sentence. Then we add supporting details. We use twin sentences to add more detail. Finally, we close our paragraph with the closing sentence. Step 1. We're going to write the question on the top of our paper. What was my question again? Oh, that's right. What makes bats so interesting? I'm going to write that on the top of my paper. What makes bats interesting? Step 2. Take one finger and indent on the first line, starting at the red margin. Step 3. Think of your topic sentence. Do you remember my teacher tip? Use the words from the question to write your topic sentence. So let's look at our question again. What makes bats interesting? Now I'm going to tell you lots of different reasons. So I'm going to say there are many different reasons bats are interesting. There's my topic sentence. There are many reasons bats are interesting. Now, step 4, I'm going to pick my first fact and I'm going to think of a twin sentence before I write it. So I wanted to talk about how they're nocturnal. What can I say about them being nocturnal? Oh, I know. Bats are nocturnal, and I can explain what nocturnal means. Nocturnal means they are active at night. Let's see what it looks like in my writing. Bats are nocturnal. Nocturnal means they are active at night. I just finished my first fact. Now I'm moving on to mammals. Detail number 2, mammals. What can I say more about mammals? Another reason that bats are interesting is because they're mammals. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. That's definitely interesting. Another reason bats are interesting is because they are mammals. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Step 6. I'm up to my third detail. I have to form a twin sentence on wings. What could I say about wings? I know. Their wings are different from birds. Their wings are like hands with long fingers, which make it easy for them to catch insects. That's a lot of information. Step 6. Write your twin sentence. A third reason bats are interesting is because their wings are different from birds. Their wings are like hands with long fingers, which make it easy for them to catch insects. Step 7. Now I'm ready to finish the paragraph with the conclusion sentence. Think of your conclusion sentence. Remember the teacher tip that I told you? The topic sentence and conclusion sentence should sound similar. I can use any of these transition words to help me start my conclusion. I think I'll start with in conclusion this time. In conclusion, there are many reasons bats are interesting. That, my friends, is how you write a paragraph. Now it's your turn. I want you to go back and write about what makes owls interesting. Remember, as you're writing step 1, use your graphic organizer from yesterday on owls to write your paragraph. Step 2, use your hamburger to help you write your paragraph.